So hello everyone, this is day 2 and I have booked so hello everyone. So we have reached Kaza. You can see the small town in Spiti Valley, and there's a Buddha statue over here. If you can see, I'll just show you. It's very windy, overcast, but I can see sun right now. So like it's set up with sun. So it's very windy. Roads are pretty tough. Not like it's windy, and so far it's good. We'll be going to our next destination in some 15 hours. Sorry, 15 minutes. So yeah, that's Buddha's statue over there. You can see, and that's me. So it's like 45 minutes ride from Kaza to here, and if you're going from car, it will take more than that. The roads are pretty narrow and steep, but bike came pretty well. So hello everyone, we just reached Comic Village. It's another village from the whole stretch. So there's a monastery over here, and there are like too many highest things in the world. There's a highest restaurant in the world. You can see I'll have that's the restaurant. Yeah. And there's a highest homestay over here and one beautiful monastery. So yeah, I think so that's what we're having. It's a special Spiti thali. There are lots of things here. I don't know the name of them, so I'll just put it on the side and we'll enjoy our lunch. So hello everyone. Oh sorry. So yeah, we just reached Hikkim. So it's another small village in Spiti Valley, and we are planning to go to the highest post office in the world, which is in Hikkim. So yeah, so the thing is, you have to climb down to get into this village. So I'm climbing down slowly and steady. So and my hair's up on my stuff. So yeah, it's a best part is there's a sun right now. If you can, yeah, the sky is getting blue. There was overcast in the morning. There are like very beautiful green fields there also, and yeah, it's very scenic and beautiful. This place, everyone should visit it at least once in their lifetime. I just met 6 elder people. They're like all in the 70s. I'll post their photo in the middle or something. So yeah, I met them. They're from Maharashtra. That's why I talked to them. They were talking in Marathi. I'm Marathi. So I talked to them. Where are you from? They said we are from Nagar. It's like the largest district in Maharashtra. So yeah, I like these people are like inspiration to me. Like they are in 70s. They are in Spiti and they don't have a single stretch or AMS effect on them. So we are. There was more than even like majority of women were more. So there were like 5 women and 2 male. So yeah, this is amazing, man. This is amazing. Look at those green fields. Yeah, and I'll just reach the post office. It's there, I guess. So there, like I can see everyone is there. So most probably I will send some postcard to my close ones, my family, my friends. I took their addresses. I'll write the stuff and send it to them. I'll thank them for helping me out with my life and stuff. They're like few people, but yeah, I'd love to. So a lot of them. Everyone is writing. Yeah. So yeah, this is the post office. Yeah. Oh sorry, it's here. So that's it. I'll write some post and send it to them. Thank you. So here we are and like almost reaching to Kibber. And look at the view. It's like drizzling right now, but yeah, we thought we will make in some time, and we have to check our tire here also. Just look at this. It's very steep right now, but I'm loving this. Seriously loving this. The gate of Key Monastery. It's like 5 to 6 minutes from here to ride, then with a little hike, and the weather is getting better now. Very less overcast and the blue skies. So yeah, long day, very long ride, and it's not that easy, but yeah. I had a little of EMS in between when I had like very little water, but yeah, this place is beautiful. You can see like farms here. Oh, maybe. And the skies, you cannot see the skies like these in cities. You're gonna see only the Himalayas. You can see like Ladakh region. Look at that valley. I'll keep you posted, and yeah, that's it.
A few moments later.
So after like 200 meters or 300 meters of hike, finally reach the Key Monastery. Believe me, that 300 was like more than a kilometer, and steps are pretty good, but the steep hike is not. So yeah, there's a good view from here. Just go upstairs and check it out. They told me it's very beautiful, fun, and I'm looking forward to see it. That's it. This little oh, okay. Now we have completed our Key Monastery. Now one of the person I came with me wanted to go up, so that's the hike we have to do. It's very steep. There is no constructed thing on the way, and yeah, you can see how it's like total up. Let's take a picture. That's matters, bro. If you are coming to Spiti and not getting a good picture with Key Monastery. Actually, one of the YouTuber, she's very good, doing good. Tanya Khanijao. Actually, I'm a great fan of her. She pointed out that thing in her blog. So yeah, दुनिया की डिमांड है भाई, करना पड़ता है. So I'll just hike the top point and update you all. Okay, Shabba Khair. Look at the hike. Oh, it's so ridiculous. Okay.
A few inches later.
Believe me, it's very steep. I have just came half of it, and we have to reach there. And look at the thing. We have to go from this mountain to here to there, and it's already drizzling. Yeah, adventure. Believe me, Ames is not a joke. I'll reach there. I'll take some pictures and keep you guys updated.
20 minutes later.
Funny thing, I think we came on the wrong way, and believe me, it's very steep, and even the like view from here is pretty amazing. Okay, sorry, yeah, it's pretty amazing. So I don't think I will go upstairs. There's the guy is almost almost there. Sorry, almost there. Yeah, there, and it looks like a waterfall trail rather than a walk trail, and we have to reach there somewhere. Yeah, I guess I don't think so, man. It's drizzling already, and sun is setting. So I'm sitting here with my like very rare chota sa gear and enjoying the view. Yeah, it's really amazing, but it's hard also. So if you are like a trek enthusiast, I don't see my other partner here. I'll just check on him and let's see how it goes. We also have to cover Kibbar. It's like 6 kilometers from here, which will take around 20 minutes. 6 kilometers, 20 minutes, maybe more than that. And sun is already setting. Yeah, and we also get back to Kaza. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's good. I'm enjoying this, but the wrong way and stiff, not a good combination. I even removed my jacket, which was like prevent from cold, but it's like I'm already I'm the sweaty for the first time in a long time when I entered Himachal after that. So yeah, going great. I'll keep you updated when I reach Kaza. I'll see you for like next. Okay.